Well boys, here we are, a year and a half later, and this 120-year-old historic home remodel behind me is finally complete. Well, mostly complete. There's still a few little small things you'll see. But in today's video, I'm going to show you this remodeled home in its finished glory, and we're going to take a look at where we started. So let's do that now. Welcome to Duncan Builds. Let's get going. Now, when we first started the remodel of this 120-year-old historic house, it was far from move-in ready and clearly was in desperate need of an update. There was evidence of janky electrical work, there were broken windows, there were missing ceilings, there was this, and also a very creepy murder attic. In the last video, we passed all of our rough-in inspections so that we could move on to insulation and drywall, which is, of course, a momentous occasion in this project, and open the floodgates for us to fly through the interior finishes. And I think that calls for a proper construction montage.
I can't be certain, but I'm hurting myself. Caught in the middle, got to get back to my health. Feel like there's nowhere to hide. I'm moving forward by the beat of my drum. Want to be certain I will not come undone. Want to leave something behind. There's some fire left inside. Let my past set on fire.
Ronnie, what the f***?
Yeah, buddy.
Pump the brakes, start today. Breathe the feeling, ride the wave. Can't erase all the pain. Ride the bleed and throw it away. Pump the brakes. Just pump the brakes. If you're still pushing, then it's time to let go. Ease off the pressure, think it's time to take it slow. Yeah, you got your future at home. There's some fire left inside. Let my past set on fire.
For a little more than a year now, we have been remodeling this historic home behind me, and we're real close to the end. We've got tile in, we've got countertops in, we've got the final push going on this week. Let's take a look and see what's going on.
Pump the brakes, start today. Breathe the feeling, ride the wave. Can't erase all the pain. Ride the bleed and throw the weight. Pump the brakes. Just pump the brakes. Left inside, let my past set on fire. And pump the brakes, start today. Grieve the feeling, ride the wave. Can't erase all the pain. Ride the bleed and throw the weight. Pump the brakes. Just pump the brakes.
So now that we have the toilet installed, I can finally test my theory. Yeah, and look at that, perfectly framed. we have taken this dilapidated and abandoned 2,800 square foot, 5-bedroom, 2-bath home and remodeled and modernized it into a beautiful 3,000 square foot, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And now, as the architectural designer and project manager behind this build, under the leadership of Dogwood Homes and in partnership with our amazing clients, the Wadsworth family, as well as all of our suppliers and all of our subcontractors, it is my deep pleasure to introduce you to the fully restored and remodeled Sally Pay House. This home is rich with more than 120 years of history, and now it will stand for another 100. After nearly 2 years between design and construction, the moment has finally come to reveal the final sexy shots. The Wadsworth family bought this home for $60K in cash in an unlivable state. They invested nearly $500,000, worked with city and state agencies to preserve the historic character, and therefore qualified for a 30% tax credit for every dollar spent on the remodel. More than $120,000. And it's through partnerships with companies like Dogwood Homes and Remodel, with our industry experience and knowledge of these city and state programs, that this type of project becomes financially viable and even lucrative. Our client now has significant equity in the completed home, as well as a basically 30% cash rebate. If it wasn't for these partnerships and programs, this incredible home would likely have been left empty and eventually become a structure fire. But through investment, collaboration, and a lot of hard work, this historic home has a new lease on life. Well, that's going to close the chapter on the Battery Street project. It's turned out beautiful. It's been a labor of love both for myself and the Dogwood team as well as the clients, and we're excited to see its new life begin. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are interested in content like this, or content relating to design, or content relating to whatever it is I come up with next, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This is Duncan Builds. We'll see you next time.